What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. आपने लास्ट वीडियो तो देखा ही होगा. Here we are after the semi-finals, and as I predicted, it's a finalissima. Baby Goat will face the Goat himself. For us Barca fans, it's already a win. I'd be lying if I said कि I'm not happy. Get into it. हम लोग बात करेंगे दोनों सेमीफाइनल्स के बारे में. First, let's talk about Spain match क्योंकि I don't have a lot of things to say about that match. सबने देखा होगा कि Spain dominated the whole match with control of the ball. We all expected that France has this weakness where they don't have the ball. It doesn't really work their attack क्योंकि अटैक करने के लिए बॉल चाहिए होती है. Spain's midfield was just far too powerful. आपने देखा होगा कि पूरे मैच में Spain had the most possession, and it's not just that they were playing from the back. मतलब they were also knocking the ball around पोजीशन के अटैकिंग हाफ में. आपने देखा होगा कि स्पेन के जो मूव्स थे मोस्टली दे केम फ्रॉम अ स्लो बिल्ड अटैक. ऐसा नहीं था कि दे अटैक्ड ऑन ट्रांजिशन, दे अटैक्ड ऑन अ काउंटर. इट वाज मोस्टली अच्छे से बनाए हुए मूव. बट आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट पूरे इस टूर्नामेंट में कि फ्रांस की एक ही वीकनेस है, विच इज़ अ टीम विच कंट्रोल्स द बॉल, एंड अगर फ्रांस को पोजीशन नहीं मिला तो दे माइट सफर बिकॉज ऑफ इट. तो गोल्स हुए थे. द फर्स्ट गोल वाज अ पेनल्टी, अ स्मार्टली ड्रॉन पेनल्टी बाय लामिन यमाल. उसने देखा कि डीने इजंट अवेयर ऑफ हिम एंड he just went for the ball, and I don't know, karate kick or a kickboxing kick. Spain went up 1-0, and after that point half time tak Spain they just played the ball around, guys. That's pretty much that is like most of the match. Spain just toyed with France. Ek chance tha Mbappe ke paas where he just broke out, and because of his amazing space off the ball and with the ball, he almost scored the equalizer, but Unai Simon was aware and he cleared the ball. So that was the only scary moment within the match. Of course, last maybe it was crazy. Last के 3-4 minute France was just attacking relentlessly. Second goal की बात करें, second goal was a insane setup by Dani Olmo. Dani Olmo only likes to play international matches, ऐसा लगता है, because he shined in the last Euro, and now this World Cup he's showing his great true quality. I would like to give my flowers to Pau Cubarsí. 19 साल का center back who started all the matches of the tournament, and he's shown ki how strong he is. He has been handling Mbappe for almost 2 seasons. Belgium ke against he played really well. France ke against, man, he was responsible for defending Mbappe, Olise, Dembele, Barcola, Doué. You have to give respect to Pau Cubarsí at this point. अब हम बात करते हैं अर्जेंटीना और इंग्लैंड के मैच के बारे में. दैट वाज, गाइस, insane. Argentina at the end getting it done. Doesn't matter if it wasn't pretty, doesn't matter if it wasn't by a lot. A win is a win. England scored the first goal with Anthony Gordon. Insane transition, insane pace. Argentina did not have the resources to deal with that kind of pace right now. They scored the first goal in just a simple counter attack tha. He crossed from the right side and far post tap in. It's a difficult technique to get the tap in right, but yeah, the goal was it wasn't very complex. अगर किसी team के पास possession है, they lose possession in the attacking half, or the defending team counters. That's how pretty much how the goal went. बात करें overall match की, England were dominating Argentina for the first quarter of the game. I'm not gonna lie. The pace and physicality England ki, it was too much for them to deal with. I would say Kane and Jude Bellingham, Morgan Rogers, yeah, they were having a great time, England, I would say. And Jed Spence, so much pace, man. मतलब कोई भी counter था, he would be there to stop it. I mean, Giuliano Simeone was almost through. He was almost through, but Jed Spence came back and performed a great tackle. England का सालों से ये पैटर्न रहा इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल में, बीट साउथगेट, बीट थॉमस टूखल. उनके साथ दिक्कत ये रही कि they scored the first goal and then they just don't go for it. I mean, they went for it in the France match. Important matches की बात करें, the Euros final, 2020 Euros final, they scored the first goal and then उन्होंने सिर्फ बस पार्क कर दी थी. They did not go for it. If England, did not park their bus, I think England would have scored a goal or two. Argentina were not able to cope with their attacks, guys. I mean, it's a fact. Mid-match है, मुझे नहीं लगा था कि Argentina are gonna win it. Typical England fashion में they parked their buses, and man, you can't park your bus in front of Argentina. Not with this attacking lineup. Not when Leo Messi is in the team. उसने अपने पूरा league career he has played against low block teams. So what do you think is gonna happen? He knows how to break it. He knows how to find spaces. He knows what to do. And yeah, after that it was just all Argentina. England was just absorbing the pressure. एक दो chances थे England के, but yeah, Argentinian defenders dealt with it. मैं बताता हूँ सबसे ज़्यादा weakness का point ये था England की. Man, जब इतने छोटे players are sending in crosses and they are being connected and they are actually good chances. I mean, Pickford ने 4 चांसेस सेव करे थे क्रॉसेस से एंड ऑल 4 ऑफ देम वर ग्रेट क्वालिटी क्रॉसेस. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि कोई बहुत लंबे इंसान ने वो क्रॉसेस लिए थे. निको गोंजालेस एंड मैकएलिस्टर. फाइनली लोटारो स्कोर्ड द विनर. बट उससे पहले की बात करें, जो 4 इनसेन क्रॉसेस थे एंड मे बी द प्रेशर गॉट टू देम. आई डोंट नो गाइस. आई वाज प्रीटी डिसअपॉइंटेड एज अ फुटबॉल फैन इन व्हाट इंग्लैंड डिड बिकॉज दे हैड लाइक अ ग्रेट चांस एंड आई थिंक डिजर्वेडली सो. पहले 40 मिनट्स के बेसिस पे आई थिंक दे डिजर्व टू गो टू द फाइनल. व्हेन यू गिव अप, you give up. You don't deserve to go into the final anymore. Messi also said in the interview that when England stopped going for it, they did not want it, and I think that is when the game died for England basically. मैं तो चाहता ही था कि अर्जेंटीना जीते भाई. It was a very low chance, but it happened, and I can't be happier. The first goal, courtesy of Enzo Fernandez, man. Before he scored, he had taken a few long shots. I think he was just, lining it up. And when he finally got the space, he saw the clear net, and man, what a screamer! What a screamer! And since England ने उसके बाद defensive substitutions already कर दिए थे, so they did not have the chance to go to attack. And I think this was a pretty late equalizer, where it was again all Argentina. Who else other than the magic man Messi himself? कौन था? एक तो Jet Spence था, and one more defender was on Messi. You would expect that Messi will go to his left foot, on his stronger foot, to send in a cross. I think that is what caught them off guard. Messi ने right foot से cross दे दिया, and what a cross. Lautaro was on the receiving end and he scored a fantastic header. After the interview, Lautaro Martinez ने बोला था कि Messi told me, keep going for the crosses. They're not going for it. Let's get it done. मतलब he believed that they could win that in the regulation time basically. What a time to be a Barcelona fan, guys. Spain and Argentina both in the final. Lamine Yamal versus Lionel Messi. अब हम लोग बात करते हैं finals की. I think Argentina will win this final unless Baby Goat has something to say about it. Lamine Yamal or Dani Olmo. Dani Olmo has been fantastic this World Cup. So I think these are the only 2 players on the pitch who I expect to make a difference. Man, what a final it will be. Drop your prediction in the comments, guys. I think Argentina will win this one and Messi will sleep at 2 World Cup trophies. See you after the final.
आज की prediction मेरी मैच की is 3-2 in favor of Argentina.
तो गाइज, आज के फाइनल मैच की मेरी प्रिडिक्शन है 3-3 ड्रॉ, जो कि एक्स्ट्रा टाइम में जाएगा एंड देन इन पेनल्टीज अर्जेंटीना विल विन.
बस प्रिडिक्शन बताना है. 2-1 अर्जेंटीना विन द वर्ल्ड कप अगेन. दैट्स इट. गो अर्जेंटीना, गो.
वैसे तो मैं फुटबॉल देखता नहीं हूँ, बट इनको देख के लग रहा है कि मुझे स्पेन को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. सो 3-2 स्पेन.